Morning! So today ang trip is we're going to Santa Cruz Island with my family as well as Papa Tisoy's family. We stay there for until siguro mga past lunch time, and then after that titingnan namin kung ano pa yung mga posibleng gawin, no? So tara, samahan nyo kami.
This is a continuation of our Zamboanga escapade, kaya kung di mo pa nakikita yung mas naunang video, check mo na yung channel na to. Maaga nga kaming gumayak for this tour at sobrang excited ng lahat to visit Las Islas de Santa Cruz. Just like any other tours, this was started by providing a simple reminder and instruction led by the locals to ensure safety of the visitors. They provided things we can expect in the island, including do's and don'ts.
So in Zamboanga City, we have two places under protected area, Santa Cruz Island and Paso Nangka, Natural Park. Nationwide, sa ngayon, we have a total of more or less mga 200 na lugar yan under protected area. So we have this also law to follow, that's national law, RA 11038, or what we call INAIPAS law. So when it comes to protection and conservation, the Department of Environment and Natural Resources had a mandate for that. So for the policy, we are strictly enforcing a what we call garbage in, garbage out policy. Yung sa any kind of basura, kung meron man mamaya, kindly bring it back here at the mainland. Huwag itapon o iwanan sa island. Okay. Alcoholic drinks also are not allowed to bring in the Santa Cruz Island. Yung iniiwasan natin doon, sir, yung incident pa, kung lasing na ganyan or ilong-ilong na, especially for those gentlemen natin. Kasi yung iba kung nakainom, minsan kasi hindi nagko-cooperate. Minsan tinatago ganyan, hindi namin na-check, hindi na sa island. So sa sobrang kalasingan, karoon na sir, so baka mag-feeling Aquaman. Yung mahirap pa, makatumalong sa gitna ng buwan, yung dagat.
Huwag kang mag-alala sir, di tayo magpapaka-Aquaman. Pero gaano ba kalayo ang isla from the mainland?
Tapos ito yung pupuntahan natin,
Santa Cruz Island Small,
Santa Cruz Island.
Santa Cruz Island Big,
Ito Santa Cruz Island. Itong part na to, paano to?
Basilan.
Yan yung Basilan. Cruz Island mga 30 minutes, 30
Yan,
minutes.
mga 45 minutes,
45
30 minutes.
O siya, we're equipped with the knowledge that we need for this trip. Kaya tara, biyahe na. Pero napansin ko lang bigla, ibang klase din ang galawan ni Lods ha. May pa-holding hands pa. Sana all.
Ano po?
Habang patuloy ang paghele ng dagat ay naisip kong bigla kung saan nga ba kilala ang isla. Well, there's a rising popularity amongst tourists for Great Santa Cruz Island due to its pink sand beach. This comes from pulverized red organ pipe coral mixed with white sand, kaya pula plus puti equals pink. Actually, hindi lang ang islang ito ang may ganitong kulay sa Pilipinas. Maging ilan sa mga kilalang beach ng Northern Samar at Sorsogon ay mayroon din. Set your expectation dahil di siya obvious sa malipitan, but you can notice the shoreline from afar na medyo pink nga yung kulay nito.
Grabe yung reservation ni Kuya Ron, isang buong island eh.
Makalipas nga ang ilang minutong paglalakbay ay narating na namin ang lugar.
Welcome to Santa Cruz Island! Yay!
Go, 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 go. Go, Gia, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Daryl, careful.
Habang di maipinta ang saya ng mga bata, ay siya namang pasasalamat ko sa pagkakataong ipinahintulot sa amin ng may kapal. na masaksihan ng taglay na kagandahan ng lugar na to. Naway mas marami pang panahon at lugar ang sabay naming mapuntahan. Di ko rin may paliwanag ang bulong ng hangin na nagsasabing, tara, ligo na.
I don't wanna let myself down myself.